Hello, my name is Marina Ruban. I'm from Ukraine, from Kiev. I'm from big family. We have 5 kids, 3 smaller brother and 1 older sister. I live with my smaller brother and with my cat, and she has 3 kittens. And I finished my academy. I'm manager information of technology. I like to travel. I was in a lot of country. I was in Thailand, in Bangkok, in Samui, and Chiang Mai 2 years ago in New Year. It was so nice because in Ukraine in that time was very cold and snow, and in Thailand was very hot, and we was celebrating New Year in the beach. So it was something new for me. And I was in China in Great Wall. This was my dream from when I was child. I dream about this, to see Great Wall. And I was in Egypt. I was in Sharm el Sheikh. I was in Hurghada, and I was in Cairo. I saw pyramids, and I was in museum. So I was in a lot of country. I don't remember now everywhere where I was, and I was working model from 14 years old, and I was working on TV 2 years in show, and one time I was working in the movie with very famous Russian actors. So last year I'm not work model anymore. I decided to be in home and make my private life and wait from you later.